Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a National Merit Scholarship. In order to sign up for a National Merit Scholarship, first of all, launch open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in osa.nationalmerit.org and search. Once you get to this sign-in area, if this is your first visit, you will need to enter your temporary username and password. Go ahead and type it down in the text box and click on login. You will be asked to create a permanent username and password once you are logged in. But if you are returning to the OSA site, use the permanent username and password that you created. If you've forgotten your username or password, you can get help by clicking on the links provided right underneath the username and password boxes. Once you are logged in, provide necessary information and complete your profile. And after setting up your account, explore the available scholarship and apply for the National Merit Scholarship. That's how you will be able to sign up for a National Merit Scholarship in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.